What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm giving you all an update on Omega Digital. Now, you know Omega Digital has been doing this thing since they put the new bot in place, guys, and I'm really excited about it. But guess what? Today is the 15th. You know what? You got to make some decisions on what you want to do today. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, let's jump right into it. Okay, hold on. Wait 1 second. Don't forget that the Crypto King merch is launching very, very soon within the next few days, guys. I want you guys to stay tuned for that. This merch is going to be absolutely off the chain. I'm excited about it. I got a few pieces in already, and it's dope, guys, if I must say so myself. So I want you guys to actually make sure that you keep a lookout on it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. That way you'll know when I drop it, when I release it, when it comes out. You need to get your hands on it first. As a matter of fact, the first 100 people who purchase from the Crypto King merch store, you're going to be entered into a drawing. That's right. We're going to be doing a crypto giveaway. You guys do not want to miss that. All right, guys? So stay tuned on that. All right. I'm not going to bore you anymore. Let me get right into Omega Digital. Omega Digital is doing this thing, like I said, performing very well. They said they're back. They're back with something to prove, right? So I'm telling you, this is amazing what we've seen so far that the bot has been able to do. I think in the last, let's look at it. It may sign me out, but if so, I'll just log right back in. No, not a problem. Let me get back into it. All right. So look, let me show you this. The last 30 days, 27.66%, guys. Not too many programs paying as consistent as that. That is actually really good. 27.66% in the last 7 days is 7.12. And on Friday, they did 1.36 return on your balance that's in your trading pool, right? So that's actually really good. Now, there's been a lot of people emailing me, contacting me and saying, hey, should they get involved with Omega Digital? I want to make something totally clear here right up front, though, so you guys are fully aware of how this program operates. When you purchase a package in Omega Digital, there's several different packages that you can actually purchase. But once you purchase a package, I want you to know that half of your package value goes into the comp plan and half of the package value actually goes into the trading pool. Now, you purchase your packages in Bitcoin amounts. It's not in dollar amounts. But whatever package that you choose, half of that is actually going to go into the trading pool. So if you purchase a package that was in Bitcoin but equivalent to $2,000, that means $1,000 of the Bitcoin would go into your trading pool and $1,000 would go into the compensation plan. What does that mean? That means that what's in your trading pool, yes, you can withdraw, but you can only withdraw 1,000 if you decide that you want to withdraw before you actually earn back your total reward. Now, you're probably wondering, what is the total amount that I actually get back from purchasing a package? Well, remember that Omega Digital doubles your package value. So if you purchased a package that was equivalent to $2,000, that means you can earn up to $4,000 from the passive returns or the passive plus your affiliate returns, right? So that's how that actually works, guys. So I want you guys to keep that in mind. But yes, you can do that. And in the process, you can upgrade your package too if you need to. If you just want to keep earning, you can actually go back in and upgrade to the next package, and that will keep the earnings flowing for you. So I wanted to let you guys know about this just in case you decide to participate with this program. But like I said, it has been performing really well. Now, I told you guys today is the 15th. What that means is that on the 1st and the 15th, you have the opportunity to withdraw whatever profit that you make from the platform, or you can withdraw even your principal balance or the capital that you initially started with, the capital that you have in your trading pool. You can actually go in and withdraw that out. Now, I do want to let you know, guys, keep in mind, if you go in and you withdraw all of the capital that's in your bot right now, the bot is trading with, you will not earn going forward. Once you withdraw that capital out, I don't care if you haven't reached 2 times what your package value is. If there's nothing for the bot to trade on, you don't get any earnings. So just keep that in mind, guys, if you go in and do withdrawals. If you go in, let's say you withdraw half of it, remember that's going to slow down the return. You're still going to get the total amount, but that is going to slow down the amount that you're getting consistently, okay? So I want you guys to really, think about it as you participate with this platform. If you're already in it, if you're considering getting started with it, just make sure that you evaluate everything. Of course, we have several different platforms that you can actually choose to participate with according to your risk tolerance, according to your financial situation, all of that. And I want you to do your due diligence to make sure that you make this best decision for yourself financially. I want you to be comfortable with the decision that you make, because you know what we're going to do, guys. We will invest wisely. We will invest well. We will only invest what we are willing to lose. And you know that we're investing for the opportunity to win, guys. So that's definitely what we're going to do. Until the next video, I do want you all to have an absolutely phenomenal day. And I am out.